Webster defined it as the descent of water in drops from the clouds. We call it rain. Some hate it and some love it. Some are inspired by it and some are suppressed by it. For many, rain is a welcoming relief, for it disguises their tears. But to others, rain is the source of their song. As for me personally, on my good days, I enjoy it. It slakes the thirst of both the earth and my sometimes barren soul. It replenishes the forest. It expands the desert. It pours life back into all things. But on my bad days, on days when my thinking is wrong, my tendency is to see rain as an interruption. Perhaps I could say it like this. Sometimes I walk in the rain, and other times I simply get wet. It's a matter of perspective, really. You may curse it or you may bless it. You may raise your fist and scream into the heavens, or you may raise your face and smile. It's entirely up to you. But one thing is certain, if you try to make it stop, it won't listen to you. If you try to change its mind, your efforts will be in vain. It'll just go on relentlessly falling, heedless of your pleas, heedless of your frustration. You see, changing the weather patterns is out of your hands. It's beyond your control. But here's a simple lesson that I've learned, and I want to pass it on to you. You can't change the weather, but you can change your attitude. You can readjust your response to the rain. And who knows, maybe with a bit of practice in this, you may even find yourself actually enjoying the rain. Either way, think about this. The next time you find yourself caught in the rain, whether it be one of life's many storms or actual raindrops, try to remember that it's only just a bit of water. It'll pass, and soon enough, you'll be all dried up again. Anyway, let me leave you with these words. Instead of trying to change the weather, maybe try instead to change your reaction. As always, thanks for the company.